Hello. Welcome to my movie assignment for math. The question I was given is based on arithmetic sequences, and here it is. In an arithmetic sequence, S40 equals 1900 and U40 equals 106. Find the value of U1 and D. So, as you can see, this is a pretty simple question. The variables we were given are U40 and S40. So we know that U40 was 106 and S40 is 1900. And we had to find U1 and D. So remember this. Sn equals n over 2 times U1 plus Un. And Un equals U1 plus n minus 1D. So these are the two formulas we will be using to find D and U1. So we're going to start off finding U1, and we're going to use the formula S40 equals n over 2 times U1 plus U40. So we already know three of the variables in this formula, and that's S40, N, and U40, and we're trying to find U1. So I use this to solve for U1. As you can see, I just subbed in all the variables, and I came up with the answer -11 when you use algebra to solve for U1. So next, we have to find D. And in order to do this, we need to use the other formula that has three known variables and the one unknown variable, which is D. So we know that U40, we know U1 now after we just found it, and we know N, so we have to find D. So what we do is we sub in 106 for U40, -11 as we just found for U1, and 40 for N, and then we solve for D. And we get 3. So now we know that U is -11, D is 3. And just to make sure, check your answers, I used a formula that contained both U1 and D, and I solved for a variable that we already know, which was S40. So I subbed in all the variables here, and I got -1900. Not negative, 1900, which was the answer that was given here. So, in conclusion, we can use all these formulas to find out that U1 equals -11 and D is 3. Thank you.